Hi, I'm Jesse with Texas Hardwood Flooring, and welcome to the first episode of The Floor Whisperer. Today, we're working on a beautiful hardwood flooring project inside this home. We'll take you step by step through the entire process from delivery, preparation, moisture testing, installation, sanding, staining, and finishing, so you can see exactly what goes into a professional hardwood flooring job that's done the right way. The first step is delivering the hardwood and plywood into the home. Before acclimation begins, we check the moisture content of both materials with a professional meter. But once verified, we photograph and document the readings for quality assurance. Next, we protect the home. Built-in cabinets and AC unit returns are covered with plastic in addition to our dustless systems for added control. The furniture is carefully moved into the garage for safe storage. Then we demo and haul off the existing carpet along with the old shoe mold, which will later be replaced by new or stained trim to match the baseboards. Before starting, we test the concrete slab. It must be under 4% before we can proceed. This ensures a solid, lasting foundation for the new hardwood floor. To protect against moisture, we installed 3 layers of defense. The first, a 6 mil poly sheet that follows the NWFA guidelines. The second, a plywood subfloor anchored into the slab with steel pins. And the third is a layer of number 15 roofing felt for protection and added cushion and sound control. With this foundation in place, we're ready to start installing this hardwood floor. We begin by racking out the boards, checking the flow and removing any pieces that don't meet our standards. Where the new wood meets the old, we've laced the boards together so you'll have a smooth and seamless process. Once the hardwood is installed, we start sanding. The first pass uses a coarse grit at a 45-degree angle because the old floor in this home was uneven, and this process will level the new and the old wood together. We then create custom stain samples to match the old floor and staircase, placing them directly on the floor in a room with good natural sunlight for the homeowner to approve. Once the color is signed off on, we send a photo to the client of the approved color for their records. We then begin sanding with the grain, using progressively finer grits to smooth and prepare the surface for staining. To enrich the color, we water pop the floor, raising the grain so that the stain penetrates evenly. The custom stain is applied by the first installer and then wiped off by the second installer. For consistency, we add the third step and use a buffer outfitted with carpet pads, ensuring smoothness and even color across the entire floor. Once the stain is dried, usually within a few hours, we apply the first coat of polyurethane or sealer. After it cures, we screen the floor to create a proper adhesion for the second coat. During this stage, we also remove all protective plastic and install new shoe mold, either primed white or stained, whichever matches the baseboards. The second coat of polyurethane is then applied, providing a durable finish that's designed to last a lifetime. We allow the poly finish to start curing for 3 full days before the final walkthrough. Clients are reminded that we place felt pads under all of their furniture, and they should do the same when adding new pieces of furniture in the future. After the 3-day curing period, we return for the final walkthrough with the homeowner and confirm that everything meets their expectations. This is what a professional hardwood flooring installation and finishing looks like when it's done right. I'm Jesse with Texas Hardwood Flooring, and this has been the Floor Whisperer. We look forward to helping you with your next flooring project. Thank you.